and in this module, we're going to be discussing how orders come into Seller Cloud. Now, there's a number of different ways that you can get the orders into Seller Cloud. The first and the main way that we get orders into Seller Cloud is through one of the many integrations with Seller Cloud. Whether you're integrating marketplaces that are API connected, EDI connected, or you're simply connecting into an FTP server to go ahead and pull those different flat files into Seller Cloud for the order management, you'll be able to get those orders and automate that process inside of the Seller Cloud account. Now, the next way to get orders into Seller Cloud is by manually building the orders in the system. You can create brand new orders inside of the Seller Cloud system by coming into your Orders module and selecting Create New Order from the dropdown. You'll be able to save customer information in there as well in case you wanted to go ahead and generate an order for wholesale purposes, generating credit terms, payment limits, and everything like that all inside of the Seller Cloud system. Adding products is fairly simple. You can search for your SKUs and start adding them one by one. This will give your team the ability to actually view what inventory you have available and exactly what warehouses you have those products available in. You can add the shipping details inside of the system and even calculate shipping rates ahead of time in case you wanted to add any additional shipping fees, handling fees, or insurance fees. Last but not least, you have billing. Grab your customer's billing information and move on to the payment section. You can even process a payment inside of Seller Cloud if you'd like. We do work with Stripe, CardKnox, Authorize.net, and PayPal for payment processing. Now, the last way to get orders inside of the Seller Cloud system is to simply import the orders into the system. This is great in case you have, say, an order form that you will send to your wholesale customers that they'll email with you, fill it out, or if you want to import channel orders inside of the system for legacy orders that you want to get in there in bulk for tracking purposes. You also have the ability to generate import mapping profiles inside of the system for when you're importing those order forms to make sure that we have things mapped correctly based on those POs that your customers like to send out to you. You'll be able to set up that mapping inside of the system using our import and export mapping profiles, specifically an import mapping profile where you'll be able to map the headers to the standard format that your customers send those files over to you.